There are a lot of CNC routers out there, but deciding which one is right for you can be difficult. We can help. At New CNC, we carry a variety of 3, 4, and 5-axis machines, combined with over 70 years of experience, designing, building, and operating CNC routers. We are confident that we can engineer the right solution for your business. Whether you're a large production facility or a small shop, we work closely with you to obtain a better understanding of what your needs are. And only then do we provide the correct machine for your job. We are always ready and available to answer any questions you might have and help you get the most out of your production process through our machines, software, and support. For more information on CNC routers, please visit newcnc.com or call 616-994-8844.